Hello everyone, welcome back to the DocScript tutorial. In the last video, we have seen how to get the paragraph in a document by referring to index and how can you modify any of the paragraph in a document by its index. So in this video, let's see some real-time use of a DocScript. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a script which convert the content, the text which is present inside the sample1 document to any other language. It could be a Spanish, it could be an Hindi or whatever. So I want a script that should read the entire content present in the sample1 document, and it should create a new document, and in the new document I want the text to be translated to the given language. So that is what we are going to do. So let's see how to do that. Let's create a function. Let's name this function as translate func. So you need two things. One is this sample doc and another one is you have to write a script to create a new doc. So let's see how to write a script to create a new doc. Let's name this as a new doc. To create a new doc, you have to use a method create, and you have to pass the name of the document. And the name of our new document is translated doc, and also we need to access this sample1 doc. So let's name this as my doc because you need to read the content which is present in the sample1 doc. To access this my doc, you can make use of a get active document method. So to get the text, as I said, you have to make use of the get text. We have already seen in the last video. Here you go. So all you need to do is let's name this as body text. My doc, you need to get the body, and once you get the body, you can easily get the text which is present inside the body. So which return the entire text. So all the text will get stored in the body text variable. So now what we want to do is we need to write a script that should integrate with two Google app. One is it should integrate with Google document, and it should also integrate with a translate, Google Translate. To access a Google Translate, there is a class called a language app. So language app contain a method translate, so which will do the translation for us. Let's name this as translated text. Language app dot translate. What do you want to translate? That you should pass this. So now we want to translate this body text, so just pass this as one. Source language is in English, and target language I want to translate it to Spanish. So this EN and ES are the language code for English and Spanish. If you don't know the language code, you can just Google language codes, and if you go to Wikipedia, and this is the language that this Google script is referring to. This is a two-letter language, so whatever the language that you want to convert, you can just put the language code here. So now this translated text variable contain the translated text of this content. So now we have to use this new doc dot get body, and you have to append. You can make use of a append paragraph, and you can just append this translated text. That's it. Within a 4-line, we have created a script that will do the translation of the entire document. So let's execute and see how it works. So go to translate func and execute. So it is successfully executed. By this time you can go and check on your drive. A new doc should be created. So here you go. If you open this doc, it should be translated in the Spanish. So that's it. You can further integrate, and if you have some hundreds and thousands of documents, and if you want to do the translation, you can just enhance the script to iterate through all the document and create a new folder and put all the translated document inside the new folder. So that's up to you how you are going to integrate. So but this is an ultimate idea behind the creation of a translated document. So if you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.